Good afternoon, everyone. Today is the 21st of December. I'm just out here spreading a bit of chicken litter. You can see on the back there. It's very nice chicken litter. It's very dry and quite, I don't know, fluffy is the right word, I guess. So it's spreading quite nicely. Usually I'd have to have someone on the back to just help it a bit, but it's going quite nicely. I'm not doing this entire field. It's quite a big field, but I'm not doing the whole field. I'm just doing this sort of back bottom corner. The reason for that is just you can always see a difference in the grass in this back section corner compared to the rest of the field. It's always kind of struggling, you know. It takes a lot longer to get to the same amount or the same length, if you know what I mean, as the rest of the field. So I'm just going to give it a bit of chicken manure to try and help it along a bit, you know, and to try and get it back up to the same standard as the rest of the field, so you won't really see that difference in this section, because it's kind of difficult, you know. It makes it difficult to work out how much you're feeding the cows and stuff like that when this bottom section is not yielding as good as the rest of the field, and you're working on the average of the field. And then you get to this section and it's, you know, it's very crap. So I'm just doing my headland quick. So just turn around. I'll probably do 3 headland passes, and then I'll start going up. I'm not going to go all the way to the top. I'm just going to go about halfway, or maybe just after halfway. You can't really see which part of it's growing quite badly now, because it's, you know, the cows have been in here quite recently and there's not really much grass here, or it hasn't really had time to grow back yet, so you can't really see a difference. I mean, everything's short at this point in time.